Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to play Spotify while using Facebook on mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This can also be done through the desktop app for both Facebook and Spotify, and the process it should be the same. The first step, of course, is to open up Spotify and play the song we want to listen to while using Facebook. I'm gonna be playing this random song from a playlist I found and go back to my home screen. Now, let's open up Facebook. After you open up Facebook, if you pull up the drop-down menu on mobile, you can see that the song is unpaused and still playing. If you are doing this through the desktop app, all you have to do is keep the desktop Spotify app opened, and you can browse Facebook through your usual web browser. The song will still remain unpaused and keep playing on desktop even after we scroll down the news feed. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Spotify while using Facebook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tips. Thank you for watching.